In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy a shareable link to your Google Doc spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google Sheet, and then you want to go up to the top and select where it says Share. Select where it says Copy Link. Please keep in mind that if you're trying to share with someone that does not have access, they may not be able to access it if the general access is restricted. You may need to click the drop down and select anyone with the link, and then you would select Done to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.